Planfix gives you a single hub for all client communication. With it, you can easily connect social media, messengers, VoIP telephony, email, online chats, and website forms. This means that all requests are handled through a single interface by a smaller number of employees, and according to the same rules. In practice, it works like this. A client messages you through any communication channel. The request immediately appears in the Planfix Chronicle, allowing you to see the client's name and the icon of the channel the message came from. If the client is contacting you for the first time, Planfix will automatically create a task with the text of their message, as well as a card with all of the client's relevant details. The assigned employees are automatically added to the task and can continue the conversation through comments. Meanwhile, the client receives the reply through the same channel they originally used. This way of working has several important advantages. For starters, all communication happens in one window. This keeps messages from getting lost and ensures that employees no longer need to check dozens of different apps. Collaboration occurs inside the task. A client's question can be discussed with colleagues or reassigned to another employee. However, the client will only see the messages addressed to them. All internal discussions remain hidden. Seamless handoff. A new employee can quickly take over the task because all the necessary information is available in one. The client won't even notice that the assignee has changed. Complete tracking and data tags. Inside the task, you can record client-related revenue and expenses, employee working time, and much more. Later, you can use this data for payroll calculations and management decisions. Convenient request distribution. You can distribute tasks among employees manually or set up automation so that the workload is shared evenly across the team. Enhanced security. In Planfix, client accounts belong to your company, not to individual employees. This means that all of your data remains under your company's control. If an employee leaves, they cannot take company information, conversations, or clients with them. With Planfix, you can turn every client interaction into a structured, transparent workflow. The client gets a fast reply via their messenger of choice, while you get a transparent relationship history that stays within the company.